there were about 4 or 5 miners fighting right outside the bedroom window. You know where the Astro dish is? They got so loud. She had a nice show to watch. Just got my coffee. Hi. You killed the little chick. What's the time? 8:26. Yes. Yeah. Can I have my coffee? None for you. You play, huh? Careful, the coffee suddenly jumped. Yes, may I carry you? Happy now? Careful, my coffee. I've got no plans for today. But I must go and get Fisherman's Friend. I saw a shadow. No. Be careful, the eagles. Go that side. Sit that side. Fisherman's Friend. Also get my Vicks inhaler. I sneezed a few times this morning. Oh, the yellow birds. Every morning I look out for them. They fly together. This big pair. Oh, there, another one going. Okay, have my coffee before it gets cold.